This is a matter of life or death situation.
There's a lack of hospital beds available in Quebec, and the province's health minister acknowledging that the summer season could make things worse. Provincial Health Minister Christian Dubé made the acknowledgements in a media scrum last week, saying that summer is always a challenging time due to holidays and a shortage of healthcare workers. For patients' rights advocates Paul Brunet, this health minister's message is something he knows all too well.
Every summer we've been told by the minister, oh, well, this summer, it's pretty bad, the COVID, I'm sorry, but this has been going on, and I've been commenting this for the past 15 years.
According to Health Index, as of Sunday, the monthly average occupancy rates for beds in Montreal hospitals is at 109%. Cardiologist and epidemiologist Christopher Labos says the lack of available beds means a lack of healthcare staff.
When we talk about there being not enough beds, it's not a lack of furniture. It's not a lack of space. It's often a lack of personnel. We just don't have enough healthcare professionals, often nurses, to just staff these beds. And this is true of intensive care beds, of hospital beds, of long-term care beds, and even beds in the emergency rooms.
Labo says many patients at hospitals are just waiting to be transferred.
A lot of people in hospital are frankly there, not because they're acutely sick, but because they're waiting for a transfer. And because they're waiting for a transfer, their space is being taken up, and you can't bring in new critically ill patients who then have to get transferred to other hospitals.
25% of beds are occupied by elders who should have been seen elsewhere before coming to the emergency ward, because now they need urgent care.
Quebec's health minister is encouraging Quebecers to dial 811 for non-urgent health issues instead of making the trip to the emergency units. But Labo says this issue requires a long-term solution.
What we're going to have to work on long-term is retention so that people don't leave, they don't quit, they don't burn out.
In Montreal, Swidda Rassy, City News.